Hi guys, in this video we will see how to complete Windows 11 or 10 reset with data preserve. If you want to keep your data safe and how to complete reset your system, then there are two ways to reset your PC. The first one is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option recovery. Click on recovery. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on reset PC, a blue window will appear. Here two options you will find, keep my files or remove everything. So choose keep my files. Your window will reset with keeping your files ready and saved. Click on this and follow on-screen instruction to complete the resetting process of your Windows. Current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC. Click on next and follow on-screen instruction to complete the resetting of this PC process. The second way to reset your PC with complete data preservation is advanced settings. Again, go to settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, scroll down and click on recovery. And here scroll down and go to advanced startup and click on restart now. We will restart your device to save your work. Restart now. It will take some times to restart your system. Wait few seconds or few minutes and thereafter you will receive a blue screen display. On this display screen, choose four options you will find: continue, use a device, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. Here choose troubleshoot. Here choose reset this PC and follow on screen instruction to resetting this PC. That's all.